I just hit the 800-yard target out there. Big Buffalo 797, 24-inch target. You can tell we have a bit of wind today, but so let me see if I can. Regardless, that's the target. I had to add an extra 100 MOA camp to my scope just to be able to hit it. On top of that, I also cleared the KYL right there on it. Not in a few shots. It took a lot of shots, but I was able to. Wind's pretty damn bad. I think you can hear it. Yeah. But I think this gun can do it if there's less like in a couple shots. Where I'm standing right now is 800 yards away from my target. Up on that mountain, there is a white spot. And I have put a bell all the way out there. I will admit it's taken quite a lot of shots. It took about 60 shots and only hit the bell twice. I'm going to challenge myself even more. I'm going to place a Coke can out at 800 yards and I have to hit it. Without further ado, I'm gonna go shoot it. Now that I've hiked up to the target, you can see just how vast the distances are. I will be pulling my car all the way back to that little curve right there, the very last one over there. Here's the two targets I will be shooting at. Now, it looks like I have hit the bell 3 times. Twice in the center and once on the frame. I'm gonna have to try to fix that and make a couple other holes in there. But this right here is the prize. So I'll be setting up the targets, heading out, and shooting them momentarily.
Everything's different, I can't complain. Don't know what you missing. Shame on you, yeah. Shame on you, yeah. Everything's strange, that's just a game. Everybody tripping, throwing it away. We was getting lifted, now we getting paid. Shame on you. We've only just begun. No, we don't wanna hurt your feelings.
Hey! Fuck yeah! Woo! I just hit a Coke can 800 fucking yards away. Now, just so you know that I'm not faking this shit, I'm going to show you the sight through my scope of where the Coke can is now gone. It was there before. I have not moved. This did take a lot of shots. Out of my can of 100 slugs, I think I'm down to about 20. So it did take a while, but that does take into account the practice I had before shooting here. So I'll count up the total amount of shots it took in order to hit the can, but let's check it out through the scope now.
Shame on you, yeah. Shame on you. Everything's strange, that's just a game. Everybody tripping, throwing it away. We was getting lifted, now we getting paid.
You can see that bell has not moved, and there's no longer a Coke can right next to it. I hope the GoPro caught that. It was on low battery. I hope it made it.
Hurt feelings. I'm always saying I won't change, but I ain't the same. Everything's different, I can't complain. Don't know what you missing.
So for some reason, the camera decided to stop filming at around the 15-minute mark. And my hit was right around the 20-minute mark. So it did not capture me hit the Coke can. Nonetheless, here is the Coke can at 800 yards, as well as the bell. You can see a couple new stretch marks on there. Now, with the Coke can, it went straight through, right down the center.
I don't got the time to let it slide. Yep, I'm too grounded. Push whips that move mountains. New cribs, blue fountains. These are my surroundings. I be going through it, you just go around it. But it's really not that different when you think about it. Change, but I ain't the same. Everything's different. I can't complain. You don't know what you missing. Shame on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shame on you. Everything's strange. It's just a game. Everybody tripping, throwing it away. We was getting lifted, now we getting paid. Shame on you. Hurt feelings.